Hi, my name is Bob and welcome to the homestead, y'all. Well, in the past we've shown you a couple different ways of no-till gardening. We've shown you how we do it in our main garden. We grow cover crops and then we chop and drop it and then plant on top of that. We also shown you how to build a hugel bed by taking rotten wood and laying it down and then putting leaves and manure and compost and wood chips on top of it, which is great for small gardening. This is just another method. We built this spring, this part of the garden. This is 16 feet by 35 feet. So it's a small scale garden, but it's more than enough. It'll grow more than enough food for 2 to 4 people to have fresh vegetables throughout the summer. As you can see behind me, this is our cool weather garden. We wanted to make a separate spot for our cool weather garden. So we have lettuces growing in here, some kale. We have onions, garlic, what else do we have? Mustard in here. We have radishes in here. But anyhow, this is a small scale garden. This is another way of doing a no-till garden. And it's very important not to till your soil. Like I try to tell people, every time you're tilling your soil, you're killing your soil. You know, you want living soil, you want your soil to be alive, you want the microbes, the bacteria, the fungi to help your plants grow. And by doing some kind of no-till method, whether it be back to Eden method, whether it's the wood chips and compost like we do in this video along with some manure, whether it's the hugel bed, whether it's cover crops, doing a chop and drop, the less you till your soil, the better off your soil is going to be. Now you can go in with a broad fork and turn it over a little bit. I still don't even like to do that. I don't like to disturb our soil at all. And over the years, we'll be able to build this soil up. The soil's not real thick here. It's only about 6 to 8 inches deep until we hit bedrock. So it's not a deep soil. So what I need to do is build this up from year to year. By using compost, using wood chips, using leaves, any organic matter I can that I can put in here to help build the soil up. And each year it'll just get better and better. Also with no-till, your soil absorbs so much more moisture. It's just amazing how much more moisture your soil is going to absorb compared to tilling the soil. Plus you don't lose all your moisture to evaporation. Every time you till the soil, you're releasing carbon into the air. So the more carbon you can keep in your soil, the more organic matter you can keep in your soil, the better your soil is going to be, the healthier it's going to be, and the healthier the plants and the vegetables that you get off of them. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the video. If you have any comments or questions, please let us know. I'll put the link in the description to some of our other methods, or you can just go to our regenerative gardening playlist and you can see all the different videos that we do on no-till gardening. If you have any comments or questions, leave it below, and thanks for watching.